Knife heads, how's it going today? I really ain't got nothing new I'm gonna show you today. Really, I just want to come on here and I want to just show you this leather slip that Gabe made me at GR Knives and Outdoors. I'm not 100% sure if he hit 500. The last time I looked, he was at 498. So y'all run over and help a brother out. A couple of yous. But I was wanting to show this slip one more time. Remember I told you he made it for a sod buster and a mini trapper? And I was just wanting to come on here and show you how good it actually fits for what he made it for. If that's okay with you guys. That way, if you guys are interested in one of these pocket organizers, you can hit Gabe up. And without further ado, let's take a closer look. See, it says GR Knives. Look at that. Don't that fit perfect? Look at my sod buster. Oh, you ain't seen that yet. Dang. Dang. You ain't seen that yet either. I know you ain't seen this in a short, but that's all. While I'm on here, I guess I can do a pocket dump for you guys. But there's the slip. You see how good he made that perfect for a Sod Buster Junior and a mini trapper. I really like carrying both of these knives. I've always carried a mini trapper, but as you know, I've just got into Sod Busters, but I really like carrying them. And I can't show you that. I ain't ready to show that yet. But I'll show the ebony greenbone. It was a lot lighter. I cleaned this knife because it had a bunch of gunk in it, and some juices got on the bone and darkened it up. But I really like it. I like it better dark. That's my son's favorite color, so he really likes it. But it's got a Wharncliffe. You hear how that pops? That is immaculate. I love a Wharncliffe blade, buddy. I have to say, I really think that Wharncliffe is one of the best blades out there. And I just got into Wharncliffes too. But since I'm on here, I'll do a pocket dump. You know, I got this. I got this Sod Buster. I'll show you just a little bit of it. I'm being stingy right now. I got this custom. Full size copperhead. Look at that blade. That's Corlon. I've already done a video on this knife. It ain't come out yet. but it's getting ready to. So I ain't gonna say much about it, but you'll probably see this video here first, but I've did a full video on this knife. Because I'm just bored. I'm sitting here in line waiting on my kids. So there ain't no better time than the present to do a pocket dump for you guys and to just talk to you for a minute. What else do I got on me? Oh, I got this Rosecraft. I got a video done on this one too. It ain't come out yet. Ooh, that puppy's got a stout spring. That Cane Creek Jack Coke bottle. I don't think this video's come out yet with this knife. If it did, I apologize. But there's that. And then I got this GEC Coke bottle, 06 pattern. That's got a stout spring on it too. With the Warncliffe. That's that white bone. I did a video with this and that Rosecraft. I know I've done a short on them too yesterday. I'm just comparing them a little bit. So if you guys want to see that, it's coming up. I don't know when. I'm just doing a bunch of videos. That way I'll have a bunch. You guys have seen this beautiful knife. This is one of my favorites. I can't get it out of my pocket. I'm telling you. Don't you love that pattern? That is an amazing pattern. With the Warncliffe, you can't ask for no better than this. I don't care who you are. Got the pen blade. This is a Tony Bose collaboration knife. And I got this golden pine cone 32 Stockman. You guys have seen all these knives. This has been what I've been carrying for the week. And you know I got this. You know I got this. And if you guys want a excellent slip, the hype is real, folks. The hype is real. J.O. Ventures and Outdoors. Top of the chain. Top of the food chain, that is for sure. You already know. Old Big E don't leave the house since I've got this one. I don't leave the house without this one. I've carried this every day since I've got it off of James. That was the best trade I ever did. Even though I traded a 4-blade for a 1-blade, but I don't care. I don't regret it for 1 minute. Come on. Perfect. That is perfect. What else I got? Oh, I picked me up a... Well, I dropped it. Sorry about that. I dropped my knife sharpener. I got this today. This was made 3rd month, 10th day of 2020. I figured I'd try this out. I figured that'd be good to carry in the pocket. You never know when you need to sharpen your knife. That one, this one here, it's just a little diamond stone. I really like it. I ain't used it, so. Let's see, the last thing I got. No, it ain't the last thing. You guys know me. I got a problem. Got my earbuds. You see, I done put that to work. I shouldn't even be showing that. That's a good knife. Buck makes one of the sharpest knives right out of the box. That's a 840. It's only a back flipper. That's all it is, just a back flipper. It don't have no pinch, bolsters, or nothing. That's my everyday work knife. I got a couple of them, but I got this one for I can switch out. That's the ones I open boxes up with. I cut boxes with it and all that stuff. These other knives I carry them for luxury purposes. Some might call it a pocket jewelry. I like pocket jewelry. Look at that, boys. Look at that. And I ain't going to sit on here and say you have to use your knives, because you spend your hard-earned money on here to buy them. So if you want to use them, use them. But if you don't, because I don't use some of mine. I'm a collector. That's the reason my channel don't have EDC on it. That's just it. If I was a EDC person, I'd have it on there. But I still show other stuff. Heck, I showed you I went to the the junkyard. Just because I can't get over this. Just because mine says Big E's knives, that don't mean I ain't gonna show you guys other stuff. A lot of people gets that twisted. I ain't talking about creators, I'm talking about other classy people. Well, they ain't too classy if they're talking bad about somebody, but you know what I mean. I'm just putting all my knives back. I just wanted to show you guys that pocket organizer. I'd really like for you guys to go hit Gabe up and get you a pocket organizer. This makes a world of difference. A world of difference when in your pocket. And you can't even tell it's in there, really. You can put it in your back pocket if you want to, or put it in your front pocket. I keep mine in my front pocket. That's where I'm used to having all my knives at. So sorry about that. I had to show my parent pickup badge to get my kids. I got this on me too. My wife got me this for our anniversary. God bless her soul. We've been together for 11 years, 12 years. We've been together a long time. And I love her every day, even more. Come on. Guys, I appreciate you. And if you're looking for another channel to go check out Upstate New York Blades. I think it's Blades. His name's Chris, and he's a really cool feller. I think you would enjoy his content. So thank y'all. I love y'all. I hope y'all enjoy this little rant. It ain't a rant. I don't even know why I said rant. It's a pocket dump. I was wanting to show you Gabe's work. Y'all need to go hit Gabe up. Get you a pocket organizer. He's cheap. And he does good work. Y'all stay classy. You hear?